Food travels just like people do. Today we're using Shio Kombu, a Japanese ingredient that's becoming more common in Korea. We'll turn it into two simple dishes that many people in Korea enjoy it at home. Let's cook together. Shio Kombu is a thinly sliced kombu seasoned with soy sauce, salt, and sugar then dried. Kombu is already one of the richest natural sources of umami. And when extra umami seasoning is added on top of that, well, this little bag is basically an umami bomb. I'm really grateful that we live in a time when we can enjoy food from all over the world without actually traveling there. Of course, it would probably taste even better in its home country. For this cucumber salad, we added soy sauce, garlic, and wasabi. Without the wasabi, it makes a great side dish with rice. But add the wasabi, and it suddenly becomes the perfect snack to enjoy with a cold beer. One thing I've realized while running this cooking channel is how special food really is. It's one of the simple joys that almost everyone can share. My channel is still small, but seeing people from different countries leave comments always makes me smile. It reminds me that food has a wonderful way of bringing people together. I don't know if people in other countries make rice bowls like this, but whenever I see homemade rice bowls, not the convenience store kind, they always remind me of my mom. I think it's because this was something we only ate at home. Maybe that's what homemade food is like. No matter where you are from, it has a way of reminding you of your family. Now that I think about it, this recipe uses cucumber. Personally, I love how fresh and refreshing it tastes. I even like its aroma. But I've noticed that cucumber is one of those ingredients people either love or hate. That's definitely true here in Korea. But I'm curious if it's the same where you live. Is there an ingredient you just can't stand? Let me know in the comments. Can I tell you something? I have a soft spot for cute things. Animals, babies, and apparently rice bowls too. There is just something about these little round rice bowls that makes me smile. I'm in my 30s now, and honestly, that still hasn't changed. The cucumber salad is delicious even on its own because Shio Kombu already has saltiness, sweetness, and plenty of umami. But adding soy sauce, garlic, and wasabi gives it a nice izakaya style flavor. The rice bowls remind me of a tuna mayo, but the cucumber makes them fresher and even more delicious. To me, Shio Kombu isn't just about strong flavor, it's a really handy ingredient that makes simple cooking easy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. See you next time. Bye.